Blender Foundation released new version of Blender, but navigation is pretty same as previous version. For the rotate whole 3D view, use your middle mouse, control and middle mouse for zoom in and zoom out, shift and middle mouse for the panning the whole view. But this setting will broke your finger and you will get wrist injury. So I'm going to tell you setting and new key binding to make your navigation much easier and you will feel pretty easy to work with Blender. Go to edit and click on the preferences. First I'm going to show you orbit setting. This is your preference tab. Click on the input button and check your emulate 3D mouse setting. This option will help Alt and left middle mouse to rotate your whole 3D view. So let's check it. Hold your Alt key and left mouse button to rotate your whole object. Next setting is orbit around your object. Now I want to orbit whole scene around this small object. So again I am going to orbit the whole scene with Alt and left mouse button, but I can't orbit around this small object. So next setting is go to navigation and check your orbit around selection option. Now just select this small object and orbit around your object. Next, solve the pan problem. Go to key map and search for the pan option. Scroll down and found 3D view. This is the 3D view and first option for the pan view. Expand this option and remove this middle mouse button and select your left mouse button with control key. Let's check it. Hold your control key and left mouse button to pan the whole scene. This is very nice and very easy. Alt and left mouse for rotation, control and left mouse for the panning. Now I'm going to solve the zoom problem. Search for zoom view. Scroll down to 3D view. This is 3D view and first option for the zoom view. Expand it and select left mouse button with shift key for zoom, control key for pan, alt key for rotate. These are very pretty and easy navigation system for Blender. Now I am going to make this small object much smaller. Now I am trying to zoom near this object. I can't zoom near this object. So the next setting, zoom near selection. Go to navigation and check zoom to the mouse position. This option will help to zoom near your object. So that's pretty nice. But I found one problem. I can't move much near to the small object. So next setting, click on the depth option. Check this depth option. Now you can able to zoom much near to any small object. Make it much smaller again. My camera clipping the small object. The next setting, press your N key and go to the view tab and click on the view option. Here is the clip start option. Now reduce this value to the 0.001 meter. Now I am able to zoom near object very easily. Now let's talk about theme option. Go to edit, preferences, go to theme and choose your best theme. I am going to use deep gray theme. Click on the save preferences to save all these settings. And if you want to restore your factory setting, click on 3 lines and go to the load factory preferences and click load factory preferences.